Good morning, everybody. It's Tuesday, January 16th, 2018. It's time for another shop video. And I got a couple quick things today to talk about, even though the workbench is empty. So we're going to get right to it. First off, I want to mention that I will probably be doing the third part of the PC power and cooling power supply review shortly. I don't know if it's going to be today, but it will be very soon. It could be as soon as tomorrow. And as soon as that's up, all the subscribers will be notified about that. The one other thing I did want to talk about today is a little tip. If you operate a small to medium-sized business, and this is directed at you, larger, small business owners with a network, especially if the network is a Windows domain-based network, i.e. Windows 2003 server, 2008 small business server, 2011 server, 2012 server, 2016 server. The worst thing that you can possibly do is allow your network to go without maintenance. Computer networks of that kind of size need periodic maintenance and updates to stay running. In the process, I've talked about before that I have a new business client. What I have to do with this particular business client is I have to clean up a mess. And the mess was caused by them not having an IT guy for 5 years. I am not even going to get into on this video everything that I'm going to have to do in a single video. I'll talk about it more in upcoming videos. But it's a lot of work, and it's going to be a huge amount of work, and at this point I can't even see the light at the end of the tunnel. This is all because the network has gone without periodic maintenance for 5 years. And when you have a network of that size that doesn't get maintained, little problems build up. And little problems, when they build up, they can become big problems. And after they become big problems, it's very costly to get those big problems corrected, and it takes multiple visits and many hours of work to correct all of the built-up issues that build up when a network of that size hasn't had maintenance. The moral of the story is that for you people in this position, if you have a network that's running fine but hasn't had maintenance in, say, a year, couple years, because you don't have a good guy, you want to call me and you want to talk to me about it, and you want to get me in your office as soon as you can to have me get you caught up on this maintenance before little problems turn into big problems. If you're not there yet and you're having a network maintained and you're not happy with the IT guy for whatever reason, please give me a call. Don't let your network go without the periodic maintenance, because this is when trouble starts. If you own a computer network that's in trouble, give me a call, and I will get in there and I will clean it up as quickly as I can and as inexpensively as I can. I'm not going to use the word cheap, because to be honest, Once a network of that size turns into a mess from lack of maintenance, it's not necessarily a cheap process. It's an inexpensive process, and depending on the size of the mess that is involved, it's not necessarily inexpensive either. Let me rephrase. It would be cheaper to have me do the work than it would be to have another IT company do the work that charges more standard, i.e. 110 per hour to 160 per hour rate versus my 65 an hour rate for field work. And tomorrow I do believe we will be closed due to a impending snowstorm. Hopefully tomorrow morning or tomorrow afternoon I should be able to get things cleaned up enough to where people can come back in again. I will let everybody know when that happens. And with that, I bid everyone adieu. As always, feel free to rate, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you don't like. We can always make improvements in the videos. I will see everyone soon. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.